Okay, so here we are at Hoyt's. We're going to run through your new Jetsteam machine, how to use it. So this is an operational video which will teach you how to best use the Jetsteam Maxi onto some of the floors, onto the chairs and upholstery, and onto chewing gum in the Hoyt's cinemas. So to turn the machine on, it's quite simple. Just press the buttons on the front here and you've got the two lights come on, and the digital display will heat up to around about 170-180 degrees. When the machine's ready, this greeny orange light comes on and you're ready to start. You also need to put water into the machine. So we undo the cap at the top and we fill up the machine. So we put water, make sure you've got a clean container. So we pour the water into the machine. The container at the back here holds 3 litres, so fill that up. If this red light here comes on, it means that you're low on water, that this reservoir is low on water, so all you need to do is just fill it up like you've just seen me do, just fill up the reservoir. This green light tells us that we're now ready to start cleaning. So now we use one of these attachments to start doing the cleaning process. First, we plug in the actual hose connector. So here's the connector, and then we lift up this flap and just push it in quite firm, which locks it into position. To unlock, there's a little plastic piece that unlocks, that unclicks it, and just pull it straight out. But first we put it in quite firm and get that latch over. Now we're ready to connect onto the hose, the tools. Let me go through some of the tools. So to start off, we have the rectangle head. So this is a rectangle brush head, which also has clamps on it. We use the rectangle head for doing floors, for cleaning stains on carpets or on hard floors. We'd attach the microfiber head to it, so we'll just clip it in. We'll show you in a little bit more detail, but the microfiber head clips on. We put on a couple of extension tubes. So these are the extension tubes. So we put those on, and now it can do floor surfaces. Another very common head is the triangle head. So this will go across upholstery, doing the chairs. So this is one of the primary heads that you'll be using. This also has a clamp that we put on the cloth onto it. So we use always a cotton cloth onto it. So about the size of a face washer. So you've got a quantity of those. And here is the lance. The lance is used for chewing gum cleaning. And here's the chewing gum scraping tool that's on. Also, we might put one of the small little round brushes on here, maybe occasionally for detail cleaning in some little spots. And here is the hose. This turns steam on low, medium and high, and also hot water injection. So let's turn the machine on. So on the front, we've got low, medium and high switches. So we'll turn it on to high to start off with, and we press the button at the bottom here. So now we've got steam coming out, lots of steam coming out. There is also a white button that we can inject hot water. We use the hot water when we want to rinse and flush out rubbish that's in a floor surface or maybe onto a chair surface, so onto a carpet. We'll show you a stain in a few minutes and pressing this and releasing extra hot water. So we attach one of the heads. There's always a groove on here, and there's also a groove inside. So we put It always goes to the top, so we put it in and then lock it into position. Unlock, push it up and slide it out. So here there's a notch that goes onto the groove. Again, at 12 o'clock it's right at the top, the groove's at the top. Just put it in and then lock it into position. So now let's go and do some cleaning with the Jetsteam Maxi machine in one of the Hoyt cinemas.